Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Omega Swatch watch, the Mission to the Moonphase, so the Snoopy version. So what you need to do is to pull the crown to the last position, so all the way, just like that. You are going to be able to hear 2 clicks. Also, the seconds hand, so the subdial here at 6 o'clock is going to stop. This means that this movement has a hacking. And now what you want to do is to rotate the watch hands until you set the correct time. After you have done so, simply push the crown all the way back in, and as you can see, the seconds hand is going to start and you are done. If you want to watch a full tutorial on this particular model, I have a full video, so a full guide on how to use all the functions, the Moonphase, the chronograph, the split option, and also how to adjust or to reset the chronograph hands. And also I have a video with the full unboxing of this Mission to the Moonphase, so the Snoopy version. Once again, link in the description below, guys. That was the video. If you enjoyed this type of content, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.